Hey everybody, good morning. Melissa with Design by Ann. So I think you've kind of guessed where I am right now. Happy Sunday, happy Father's Day. So I am here at the Lowe's in our community, and I am in the veggie garden section where they have lots of herbs. Let me just take you on the tour with me. There's rosemary, there's lavender, plenty of herbals to grow at home. This is the healthy stuff. This is the healthy stuff. I'm going to turn around in just a second. I am having a ball here, actually. I've grown rosemary before, and it wintered over very well, and it just smells so delish. Oh my goodness, you should. Oh, the aroma on that is just absolutely wonderful. I think I'm going to grab one of those up and purchase for my herbal garden. Over here we have some chamomile, which you can actually make your own tea. You can actually make your own tea with chamomile. Isn't that wonderful? And the leaves are so beautiful. They're not as robust as the rosemary, but definitely a nice, it's a soft texture. But I think I'm going to grab one of those up as well. We have some Italian oregano, some English thyme. Oh my goodness, I am definitely in heaven over here. All right, there's peppermint, so you can make peppermint tea. Oh my goodness. So listen, I want everybody to have a great new week. And remember, it's not that expensive to grow your own herbal gardens. I'm going to continue this on. Right now I'm growing pumpkin. I have sunflower seeds in my garden, and I also have tomato plants and a watermelon. I have a watermelon plant. So if you're considering a garden and you want to start small, I would say start with a herbal garden. An herbal garden. You know, the plants are usually they're usually fresh. They're usually fresh. Check out this artichoke here. Oh my goodness. And then there's some basil plants and pimento, sweet peppers, all of that stuff. It's here. Now's the time to plant. Now's the time to plant. Jalapenos. My goodness. Okay, so here's a tomato plant that already have some buds on there. Look at that. Let me go in here a little bit. Look at that. You can see that there's some little baby tomatoes right there. Wow. Okay. So everybody have a blessed new week. This is Melissa with Design by Ann. We're just checking out the herbal garden today. God bless you.